Suppose you have $1,800 in your savings account at the end of a certain period of time. You invested $1,600 at a 5.03 simple annual interest. How long in years was your money invested? State your result to the nearest hundredth of a year. Where should we begin? Well, I'd start by noticing that it's a simple annual interest problem. And the formula for simple interest is interest equals principal times rate times time. This gives us a good starting focus point. What is it we're actually looking for? Well, we're looking for how long in years your money was invested. So we are actually trying to solve for t. That's our unknown. We do know our interest rate. Our interest rate is 5.03%, or if we like 0.0503. We know our initial principal as well. Our initial principal is $1,600. And what about this $1,800? Is that our interest? No, not quite. At the end of a certain time period, we have $1,800. We invested $1,600. So that means our interest is actually the $1,800 that we have in the account after a certain time minus our initial deposit of $1,600. Our interest is actually just $200. Now we're set to go. Interest equals principal times rate times time. Interest is $200. Initial principal is $1,600. Our rate is 0.0503. And our time is what we're solving for. Taking out our calculator, we get that 200 equals, and multiplying 1,600 times 0.0503, we get 80.48 times t. We finished this simple equation by dividing both sides of our equation by 80.48. And that tells us that t is approximately 200 divided by 80.48, or 2.485089 years. Rounding our result to the nearest hundredth of a year gives us that t is approximately 2.49 years. That's it.